In previous video, we have discussed about circles and polygons. Now in this video, I am going to discuss the basic difference between circles and polygons and the edges and how SketchUp treat the edges differently in both terms, both tools. So let's start with the method. So let's draw a circle, and before clicking it, I will make a circle of 12 sides. And I'll enter it, and I will make it 5 feet, the radius of this. Now you can see the edges are more visible, and we have a plane here. So similarly, I'll make a polygon also, and polygon of 12 side similar to the circle, and I'll drag it, and I'll make a 5 feet rectangle, or 5 feet the radius of this inscribed circle. So you can see these both the circle as well as the polygons are ditto similar, and we cannot differentiate between two. But when we use push and pull tool, and when we pull it up, you can see the SketchUp treats both differently. You can see we have smooth surface here in the circle, but in the polygon of 12 sides, you can see we have a solid hard lines which are depicting us that it is a particular side, and it is chamfered faces. Here it is a plain face, but here you can see it is chamfered from 12 sides equally. So you can directly say see how the SketchUp is differentiating between that. One thing we can see, here the shade of this proper polygon, you can see the shade is changing on the face basis of this face. It has the darker shade, it has a little bit gray, and it is almost white. But here in this circle, you can say the shade is going very smoothly, so it is a proper smooth surface. But under the one thing, there is something hidden in it. We can see, go enter the view, and when we will click on hidden geometry, you can see there are lines that are hidden. So it's though it is a smooth surface, we have hidden lines here, and which are visible here. So this is the difference. We can make these lines visible under the default menu, and when we go under the entity information, and when we click the edge, and it is writing it here edge, we have selected edge here, and we have two options here, soft and smooth. When I unclick it, you can see the edge is now visible to us even if we switch off the hidden geometry, and it is not smooth because we have also turned off the smoothness. And when I click on the smoothness, the edge is visible, but you can see the surface is smooth. And when I will do the vice versa, when I turn the soft on and I will do this, you can see there is no smoothness here, but the line is hidden here. So again, what I will do, I can select multiple lines here, and I can soft do this there. You can see these two is now almost similar, and though it is not similar from back side, but we will do the same to apply the same to everyone. So it will be similar to both will become similar. So yeah, this is the thing that I wanted to discuss. You can learn this, and it is a great tool where we can understand how the SketchUp treats the surfaces of a circle differently, as well as how it treats the edges of this polygon differently. So go and try it yourself, and you will find it quite interesting, and it will be useful for you in the model that you are gonna create, in the complex modeling then you are gonna create. So thank you.